Here's your Marcel from Local Heroes of Health again. Who doesn't know that? Winter is here again, and what's coming when? Yes, you get a cold. And the men have a particularly hard time to getting through this. Yes, what can you do? What can you do? I would say we have really banged ourselves in the time. So off to the herb shelf, plunders the spice shaker with thyme and everything off into a tea bag with it. Thyme does not taste like from the baker, but if you want more variety, you can prepare your tea with cowslip, ripwort, anise or fennel. For the candy lovers among you, a fennel honey is of course not bad. Thyme has not only cough-soothing properties, but also cough-solving properties of its time together with eucalyptus, primrose and ivory. But caution is called for. You should never take a cough solvent before you're going to bed, unless you also have fun with crumbs. It's the best you don't let get that far. The first time you scratch your throat, take nasturtium with horseradish capsules or horseradish preserved in vodka. Yes, it burns. All you need is horseradish, a sharp knife, vodka, preserving jars, and brown glass bottles. First, clean the horseradish and cut it into small slices. Second, put the slices in the preserving jars. Third, pour enough vodka into the jars and cover the slices. Fourth, let 3 to 4 weeks go by. And fifth, enjoy in small sips. Finally, a tip from me. You must not only always beat thyme, but also cut ginger in small pieces, poured over with hot boiling water can work wonders. And here a few more hints in our own course. Our mentioned here in the video are based on our own experience. If you made ours or have other interesting tips, write them in the comments. If you are unsure, go to a doctor or alternative non-medical practitioner of your choice. In the video description you will find links to the products that we can recommend in good conscience because we use them ourselves. Sponsoring of the respective providers is not existent. And I hope that none of you will come up with the idea of picking a German primrose or ivy in the garden and eating it because they are poisonous. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button and also the bell. In the Local Heroes Facebook group, we would be very happy about a lively exchange with you. Do you want to support us? Then donate us on our Patreon account. See you soon, your Local Heroes.